Hi friends. So as we know that we are going to appear for our college internal exam through online mode for the very first time. So many of our friends have confusion regarding the procedures of exam. So this is a short video explaining how in reality we are going to appear the exam. Hope you like it. So first there are few important notes. This video is just a demo video for students who are unaware about online exam procedure. This video is not related to college. This is an attempt to explain basic steps to be followed for exam to avoid confusion among students. Now there are few requirements for exam. We should have laptop, computer or smartphone with good internet connectivity. As we know, the exam is going to be on Google Form, so you can appear your exam through any of these devices. Even you can appear the exam through your smartphone. The only requirement is good internet connectivity. As we all know that the exam link is going to be sent on the Gmail account, the same Gmail account which we have registered with the college, and the college has sent us the PDF of timetable on the same Gmail account. So we have to log in on the account before the exam to get the link. Students' personal details like name, class, roll number, contact are to be filled before appearing for the test. So to avoid any mistakes, keep your ID card with you to fill the details. Now this may sound silly, but keep paper, pen and calculator for solving numerical sums if any in case of practical subjects, because even if it is an online exam there can be few numerical questions. So to avoid any mistakes, keep paper, pen and calculator for safer side with you. Now there are again few important tips. First, log in into Gmail before time as mail will be sent with exam link 10 to 15 minutes before exam. As we have been told by the college that the link for exam or the our internal test will be sent to our Gmail account. So it's better to log in into our Gmail account and get the exam link within the time. Once the time starts for the exam, the first thing we have to do is fill our personal details carefully as it will be directly recorded in database. So try to fill personal details carefully without making any mistakes, as once you submit your test no corrections can be made in the personal details. Then we have to keep in mind that time for the exam is fixed. So before time, that before 12 o'clock we have to submit the test, and once we submit the test, check the message of submission at the end. As we know that when we submit our Google form, we get the confirmations message at the end that your test has been submitted successfully. So that is the proof that your exam has been submitted to the college. So keep a screenshot of that message for a safer side. And the important tip is do not panic as the time is enough. We have 40 minutes to appear 30 questions, that is through online mode. So keep positive attitude and attempt all the questions. Now we are going to see in reality that how we are going to appear the exam.
To fill the form, so I have created a demo Google form over here. So we will get a notification from our college like this on our Gmail. Once you enter the notification, the mail, you will get the Google forms with the title MCOM internal exam, okay, with subject, and then we have to click fill out form to start our test. So maybe this will open once the exam time is started, that is 11:20. So here are the details which we are going to fill, the personal details. Now let me tell you, this is a demo form. We don't know how the exam form will look, but the basic requirements are same. So now we have to fill our details over here, that is email address, name, roll number, mobile number, and we have to be careful while filling this out. So I am filling my name, You have to fill your full name, also full roll number, not just last digits, full roll number, and also your contact number. And then next, and now the real test will start. So as you can see, I have created a test of 5 questions of 2 marks each, so total of 10 marks. So similarly we are going to get the test of 2 marks each with 30 questions. So these are some MCQs and true or false. So as you can see now, I will select the answers for the questions, and now I am selecting the answer. And many of our friends have doubt that what happens if we miss out any question. So let's see what happens when we miss out any question. So I'm missing this question out and filling the last question's answer, and when I click submit, you will see the question which is remaining to mark will get will get notified. So here it shows this is a required question. So now we have to mark the question, and then only our test will get submitted. So don't worry, you will get notification, as all questions are compulsory. If any question misses out, then we can fill it afterwards. So after we submit our test, you will get this final submission message, which is very important because this is the proof that your exam has been successfully submitted. So you can take screenshot of it as a proof if you find it important. So this is how our exam is going to be. So all the best to all of you for our exam. And if you like this video, do like, share and comment your suggestions if any in the comment box. And now I am going to upload few revision lectures, few 10 minutes 5 minutes revision lectures on the exam topics. So if you want to get notified, do also click the bell button down there. Thank you.